In How to Train Your Dragon, 2025, Toothless, the rare, powerful Night Fury, plays a critical role in helping Hiccup Horrendous Haddock 3 defeat the monstrous Red Death Dragon, the true threat behind the dragon raids on Berk. Toothless is initially a feared and mysterious dragon that Hiccup wounds during a dragon raid. But instead of killing him, Hiccup chooses to befriend and help Toothless, repairing his damaged tail fin so he can fly again. Their bond grows stronger as they learn to trust and understand each other. Toothless teaches Hiccup the true nature of dragons, while Hiccup gives Toothless the freedom to fly. As Hiccup learns, the constant dragon raids on Berk are not random. The dragons are being forced to bring food to the volcanic nest of Red Death, an enormous, tyrannical dragon that rules over them through fear. When Hiccup's father, Stoic the Vast, leads an attack on the dragon nest, he unknowingly wakes Red Death. Hiccup realizes the only way to save both his people and the dragons is to confront the monstrous dragon itself. As Red Death bursts from the volcanic mountain, raining destruction on the Viking fleet, Hiccup and Toothless arrive just in time. They use their unique speed, agility, and coordination to outmaneuver the gigantic dragon, which is too big and slow to catch them. Toothless, with Hiccup's guidance, launches precision plasma blasts, trying to weaken Red Death's wings and distract it. Toothless uses his aerial agility, darting around Red Death's claws and massive jaws. Hiccup directs Toothless to target the weak points, wings and eyes, to keep Red Death disoriented. At one point, Hiccup is knocked off Toothless, but Toothless dives and saves him, reigniting their bond of trust. Hiccup and Toothless lure Red Death into the sky, forcing it to chase them higher and higher. When Red Death tries to incinerate them, they dive at full speed, narrowly escaping as the massive dragon crashes into the ground below. The impact and explosions finally kill Red Death, freeing the other dragons from its oppressive control.